I'm putting on my wedding attire.
Your rings are
Yes.
back on. You're married again.
You're better.
No,
You're married again.
never stop. Merry Christmas, everybody. Welcome back to Cup of Joe Presents Foodie and Friends. Lord, we have a guest. Now, this guest, I know of this guy since back in the day with me DJing in house parties.
Oh, yes.
Serious.
That is where the actual name came from. Correct me if I'm wrong, right? It was a house party,
Yeah.
right? You never hire me.
Alright, let me know about it.
But I attended many of the parties back then. And of course, the name has grown to be a big name for the Carnival season. So welcome, guy Dexter from Kairi people.
Carry
Thank
people
you,
in the
thank you,
house.
thank you, thank you, thank you.
Merry Christmas, Dexter.
Merry Christmas to you and Merry Christmas to you.
Thanks much. Before we start, you have a choice. You're going either sorrel or punch a creme.
No choice at all. What tax?
What tax? Handle him there,
Punch a creme.
Jacker, man, boy.
What tax?
What tax?
Handle
And
it,
this
big
one,
shot.
Dexter, is
Yeah.
from a year ago.
What?
So that's properly well cured, eh?
Proper thing. Yeah.
What?
Usually stick to still.
So it oh God.
Dip it,
You
put
stick-
your hand in it.
I can put my hand in it?
Yeah, put your hand in it.
Is that kind of show? Is that kind of show?
Yes.
We're very comfortable with each other here.
All right. Very good.
Especially with the meal you're going to partake of in a
Yes.
short while. Yes.
Because why we say
Nice.
Merry Christmas,
Merry Christmas to
Christmas,
you.
my brother.
Happy New Year,
Yes, I.
I can leave it in.
Yes.
Happy Carnival because it's around the corner.
Yeah, boy.
Oi,
Yeah.
it's in.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll take another one for that.
And the perfect thing to go with this is some rum balls.
Rum balls.
Rum balls. You ever had that before?
Yeah.
I've never had rum balls before.
She's just rolled those balls for you.
All right
I
then.
want you to make sure I have
All right.
a little bite of a rum ball just before we start.
I will
Just-
have a rum ball.
Yeah.
Rum balls.
Talk to this boy already, you know. Talk to him, you know. All right.
Roll.
You like them?
Yeah, boy.
All right. Enjoy. The whole bowl is yours.
More.
Nah, on kicks, man. On kicks. On
Do you
kicks.
know what rum sticks?
Cheers,
We
man.
could have rolled
Cheers.
with some sticks, you know.
I ain't say that because Jace wrote it, but it's good.
It's very good.
It's good. It's good. This was good. This was good.
Very, very good. Yeah. We could replace black cake a little bit, you know what? If you read it.
No.
Yeah.
Joel, you're going to
Let me take that back. Let me take that back. Let me take that back.
Nothing can replace black cake.
So is it like a dessert for after the meal, or yeah, yeah?
And listen, no bacon or nothing. No. Just mix roll, rum, coat.
So easy,
inside.
simple to do.
Simple.
Yeah. This
Let's
is
talk
good.
about
This is
Kairi people, man. So I took it back to the house party days.
good. Well, you took me back some years there. So Kairi is really the name for Trinidad back in the day. Yeah, Kairi. So if you research it,
You serious?
yeah. So
That's how you all came up with the name?
Kairi is the name for Trinidad back in the day. And this party, no, our first party was called The Front.
Yeah, for good. I remember.
Stanmore Avenue, by a house,
The White House.
Right.
about 120 people, all inclusive, for $150. For $150.
Yeah, we heard you loud like that.
Right.
We heard that loud
Because the
like
mantra of Kairi people has always been value for money.
that. Yeah.
So that's how we started. I mean, the guys, we go to parties.
Yeah.
In those times, they go to all inclusive, but it's always it's pricey on the pocket.
Right.
And I mean, you have to dip a
Yeah, the dip.
Yeah, the
a
bottom.
little deep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we said, why we don't just do our own thing and try to price it appropriately, you know? So people are going to come and have a good time and say they went to all inclusive. And the rest is history, as they say.
off from there.
The front was the first one,
Yeah.
and we have grown. Big up to the president, Richard Gordon. So we have 4 executive members: Richard, Bev, Sheppy, and myself.
Yeah.
That's Kairi people.
The value for money is a serious thing because if you've ever been to a Carry People event, you leave there not only satisfied with the party,
Yes.
but the experience.
That's it. And that's the key thing what they all normally
Yeah,
sell, like the experience of the
the
party.
food,
Yeah,
the drinks,
yeah.
a
combination.
A combination.
The whole aura of the event.
And
Yeah.
as Dexter said, for some reason, you all don't make no money on this thing.
Yes.
That's a rhetorical question.
Yeah.
The reason is because it is so affordable. When you leave there, every time I leave there,
Yeah.
I feel like I should swing back and say, fellas,
Yeah.
Right.
We've had
Because
that.
I feel like what I pay is not what I get a little more than what I pay for.
We've actually had that. So the focus is not on the profit. That's the thing. The focus is on the experience.
Yeah.
And that's where we kind of.
Yeah.
So we kept that mantra till today.
Yeah. Take us down the calendar now, because I know that, I mean, as we come out of Christmas, what you do for Christmas?
It's a hard fight, you know.
Yeah, you party, what you do?
It's a hard fight.
Let me get you fight.
The thing is, Christmas, I love Christmas.
Yeah.
But it's so close. I mean, January is right there.
Yeah.
People will right into Carnival.
So before you take me into Carnival, I need to, what does Dexter Charles do on Christmas Day when Kairi people have first event coming up is Mocha? What does Dexter Charles do for Christmas?
No, I'm all about family for Christmas. It's all about family and food. So I remember family. Family, yes.
Yes.
Family and food. It's all about family.
Foodie and friends.
Yes, foodie and friends. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. It's all about food and friends, right? For Christmas. But that time is real critical. Enjoying time with your family, to me, is very important.
And you take that time.
Yeah, so I take that time to Christmas Day, Boxing Day. You know, traditionally Boxing Day is the time where you go by all the other family, right? So you enjoy your family and then you go out.
And then you switch.
And by the 27th, extra ball.
Sheppy calling you. Dexter, you organize drinks for him.
We are meeting.
Right.
We are meeting. Because I mean, this year, it's the thing is we've taken on events now. Besides the Kairi people events, we are now managing events for people.
Okay.
So I wear two hats. The very first event is Soca and Mocha.
Right.
I'm also a director of the Soca and Mocha
January
Foundation.
1st.
That's January 1st.
Yeah.
New Year's Day, St. Andrew's Golf Club. So New Year's Soca and Mocha is already in train, as you would know. And
and
then we go.
And then the calendar, I know there's a calendar this year.
We roll off. We go from Soca and Mocha into Just Bring It. This is with Fatima Old Boys.
Right.
Up at Olivia. It's a kind of a version of Runaway in a sense. But Just Bring It is a cooler event. So we go into Just Bring It. And then we're now managing UE. UE Fest.
So give me a date for Just Bring
It. Just Bring It January 11th.
January 11th.
The first 11th.
Wednesday. First of the 11th, then the 22nd.
22nd of January.
Is UE Fest Relive. Now I'm going from memory here.
Yeah.
So then we're also doing Bishop Trinity East event.
Okay.
It's called Renaissance. That's on February 4th.
Okay.
So Kairi people touching different.
Everything,
So a little piece of everything. Then we have, is it Different? We have Different on February 12th. That is always the Sunday before.
The Sunday.
Right.
Carnival Sunday.
Yeah.
Now we have.
And that party is different.
Different.
That party is
Do we see you in front of the stage?
Yes,
You want more here?
Yeah. No, I have to say, Joel and
Not me. That lady will take off that lady.
the missus. They have a very good time.
Yes.
That's what I would say.
Front and center.
That's all I say. They have a very good time. Yeah. So the front at the Oval.
Yeah.
Then we have a new event. Richard also manages the All Stars, and the All Stars has an event on the Wednesday called Harmony with Despers.
In the Despers partner, I don't think I'm hearing that.
Yeah, I think so. That may change. Don't hold me to it.
Right.
But as a celebration of Black Soul.
Yes. I should say that 23 is all about Black, sir. That celebration continues. Because Blacks was, and it started with Mocha. Mocha was a special place.
Yeah, that was Blacks' home.
For Dexter Black Stewart. So we're going to pay homage to him on that day.
He was almost, before you go on, he was almost like the face of Kairi people. Like, he didn't have an event without him.
But he insisted. Let me just say, he insisted. Right there. Yeah. But Dexter was special. He gave heart and soul into the performance, as you would know. Once you're on stage, spread your hands and Lego. And you're inside. So
cheers to that, man. And then the demand is going to be so much greater in terms of we had a pandemic, 2 years of lockdown. So this is the first release.
Exactly. So actually Soca and Mocha is called The Return. So it's Soca and Mocha The Return. So we're coming back to, it's a full bang.
Getting goosebumps thinking about it.
So I reach Harmony. And then Carnival Friday, we have a new event, we have a collaboration. That is part of the growth with Farmhouse, an event called Empower.
Pick up the Farmhouse one.
Empower.
So a combination of the two brands coming together.
Brands decided to do a new event called Empower, and that's on Carnival Friday. And then they have breakfasts on Sunday. Breakfast is going to be crazy. The water and the truck will be there.
Nice.
The extras.
Do you guys still, or will, I remember keep coming up with the Monday night The Monday night.
The Nouveau. Nouveau is the new Juve.
Right.
Nouveau on a Tuesday. So if you really love Juve.
Yeah.
And
coming again this year?
Yes.
Yeah.
Nouveau is, so that's the last one on the calendar.
Right.
So Nouveau is Carnival Tuesday morning.
Carnival Tuesday.
Where the first band to cross the stage at 6 a.m.
At 6 a.m.
Nice, man. Nice.
At 6 a.m. So Nouveau is new Juve. So I will close off.
Excellent.
I will close off. So that's a calendar there.
Okay,
Both our events and events that we manage.
Excellent.
Yeah.
This is something that Jase take you back to
Yeah.
house party.
Yes.
Yeah.
I mean,
The
this is something that
the backyard.
you have been passionate about from ever since, outside of your corporate life.
Yeah.
Tell us how did that come about? I mean, you've just always been a party lover.
I always love planning events. And then when I got into corporate, that was part of my job, actually, doing the bank Christmas party and sports day.
Right.
So I have a real passion for that. And of course, Kairi People was a place to kind of spread my wings.
Yeah.
But the focus, as I said, was always on that experience, that customer experience. We never lost sight of that. So the value for money was that's what we were built on, and we never forgot that. So keep the customer at the center, and every small detail that you mightn't think about, we think about, and we listen. That is the next thing. We listen intently to feedback, so that we can make it better the next time.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Cheers.
Cheers to
Merry Christmas, all this Carnival talk.
Yeah.
Let's not forget Christmas. Come,
boy,
Joe. Not play.
And I'm going to tell you
It's
something.
hard. Christmas is the Carnival.
You cannot
But
stand up on one foot. You must have two balls. You can't just have one.
Well, I didn't even finish it. But the balls are already good, eh?
The balls are good.
Yeah.
The balls are
So to
good.
keep
Just two balls.
Referring to the balls.
Take a
but the
second
balls are
ball,
good.
please. Take a second ball.
Well, all the
We coming back, you know, because when we
we're
come
coming.
back, we have one of the faces, one of your frontline men of
Carry
people.
For real.
That's
Brethren
right.
of mine, a brethren of mine.
A big brethren.
That's right.
And he's here, he's spending some time with us on this wonderful
If
Christmas into Carnival.
about day one, like from day one,
Yeah, he's a day one.
he's a day one.
He's a day one. We coming back. We could drop the surprise on him. We coming back. We're going to have some fun right after this with day one. Carry people in the house, all you.
And more balls.
We know it was a